Hey YouTube, welcome to Rhonda's Glam Corner. Today we are going to install another 4x4. So if you would like to know how it was done, I would like you to sit back, relax, and keep watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to take some time out of your busy day to come hang out with me today. So we do have some new hair, and I did get it from Amazon. The store is called Eyeliner. It is a 4x4 lace closure, 16-inch body width. This is what the hair is looking like. It's pretty thick and full. I like the hair. So we are going to go ahead and install the hair, but first, this is the box that it came in. So, I know in the past that I've said I don't really care for 4x4s, but lately I have been changing my mind about that because I feel like they're pretty convenient to get on quick. It's not that much work, and most of the 4x4s that I've experienced lately, I can put it on gluelessly and take it off, so you know my scalp can breathe. So I am going to go ahead and start the install. So I'll just show you guys the inside. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I think I said that's the 4x4. It has two combs here, one comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. And for myself, what I find the secret to a nice flat glueless install is how tight you put the straps in the back. So for me, I do have a pretty small head, so most of the wigs that I do get, I know I'm looking over there, I don't know. Most of the wigs that I do get are a little bit big. So I normally strap it all the way to the end. You guys, so I did feel like the lace was a little bit light, so I went in with just a light dusting of my foundation. Let's go. my Fantasia heat protectant. I'm just going to take a little bit, this much I have, and just rub it all over the hair. So I just parted the hair across the top and put a clip in. And I'm going to start here. I really am having a problem with seeing in this new space. It's curling pretty nice. Yay! So I am going to go off camera and curl the rest of the back, and I'll come back when it's time to get to the front. Hey you guys, so I am back. And I did go ahead and get the back of this hair curled. So now I am just going to do the sides, because at this point I don't know if I want a middle part. I don't know if I want a side part. I don't know if I want a part at all. So let's get it. I am going to go off camera, let that dry down, do my makeup, and I'll be back. Hey you guys, so I am back, and this is the end result of this hair install. So my final thoughts on this hair. I like the hair. What I didn't like was the frontal portion of it, because it did have a lot of short pieces in it. So if this is 16 inches, so it would be 16, 14, 12, and I guess 10. This here in the front is not 10 inches. I did finesse it and put a little flip there, which seems to be on trend now. I guess that's basically all I have to say. I mean, when you look at the lace did lay down pretty flat. It isn't hard. It did lay down pretty flat. It does look pretty natural, and I didn't put any makeup here, so you know it does. The hair is nice. The only thing that I don't like about it is the frontal is a little bit short. That's it. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. Other than that, it did hold a curl pretty well. Well, I can't really say how it would really hold a curl, because this is basically the curl that I was looking for. I didn't want anything tight. I wanted it loose and, you know, like it is. Like it is. So we're coming to that time again where I have to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as I always say, stay glamorous. Bye.